こうやってください。大丈夫です。
So fast.
はい。そしたら鍵を。いい感じですね。
本当ですか？
はい。あ、オーマイゴー。今みたいな感じで。
Like when you're away from Japan, what's the main thing that you enjoy the most about being back?
Food.
Yeah, it's got to be food.
I arrived last night and like first meal I ate
Sushi?
dinner is sushi.
Yeah.
Oh, it's incredible.
How is it being back home? What's it like having a home race?
Home race is good. I experienced last year. It's just so special. Like as soon as I got out from garage and I exit a pit lane, just like everyone stood up.
Super cool.
And like clapping their hands like yeah, it's cool.
I can imagine.
I guess even in worldwide, it's quite known that Tokyo is quite a little bit different as others. Like they can wear any style they want. Like you can see a lot of characteristic age people. So how do you find it?
If you're in Tokyo, you're walking around, you see like so many different styles. It's really cool. Every time I come here, I buy something different. And when I wear it back home,
obviously you're thinking about me, right? My style.
Definitely not. Definitely the opposite of what you dress.
Oh, yeah?
I try to aim for.
So how was the first time you did photo shooting? A proper
like being
photo
a model.
Shooting? Yeah, like being model. Yeah.
It's
proper
extremely uncomfortable.
Yeah?
Yeah. And they always say, oh, this can't be as hard as driving a car, but it's harder.
Yeah.
Driving a car is so simple.
Standing still.
Yeah.
Because you're
And
consistently
like,
moving,
yeah,
right?
exactly. And they're like, make sure you like do this, like jacket on, jacket off, you know.
Yeah. But you have a bit of technique with the eyes.
No, definitely didn't.
So you were doing like that?
I have no idea.
Oh yeah.
Definitely not.
Okay.
Definitely not. I just learned from you. I look at the photos that you've done. I go through the magazines. What did Yuki do? And I try and copy.
Okay. But do you enjoy it?
Yeah, the clothing and like the stuff that comes out is super cool. So and the photos, they make you look really cool.
Okay.
Yeah. I understand that Formula One is a bit of a hobby for you. You know, it's a bit of a journey on your way to your dream job as chef. Where did the love of food come from?
I started to like really food probably since I moved to Milton Keynes probably.
What?
Like quite recent. It's not like from my 14 years old, 15 years old probably, because in quarantine time, so in quarantine time it's hard to go any restaurants. That also didn't help as well. So I started to cook then. But actually when you cook yourself, actually it tastes really good. Like probably they have lots of love inside there.
Yeah, you put a lot of love into your meal.
Yeah, it tastes better, and okay, I want to make better.
What style of restaurant? What would be?
The baseline will be Japanese, but I want to kind of mix like a fusion with a lot of kind of countries' food, because Formula One, you naturally automatically just go each country's restaurants and just gonna take good stuff from there. You know what I liked it and just put it into the one menu.
Hope you invite me to the opening.
Of course, but you have to pay though.
Are you serious?
Of course.
You make me pay?
I respect, man.
いらっしゃいませ。
はじめまして。
はじめまして、モデギです。
あ、すごいなんかシェフの。It says my name here.
Really?
Yeah.
Your name?
応援団ですから。
Is my name? Is my name there or not?
No,
Yeah,
no, of course.
Nice.
お料理が好きということで、
大好きです。
今日はうちの名物のオムライスを一緒に作りましょう。
お願いします。僕初めてですけど、ちょっといろいろ教えてもらえることになるかもしれないですけど、よろしくお願いします。
もう大丈夫です。はい。はい。今日はこれを着ていただきます。ピンクなんですけど、ここはラインが。
僕似合うといいんですけど。
You're gonna look good.
Yeah.
今日のオムライスはですね、材料はすごい少ないんですよ。
So fast.
うまいですね。
本当ですか？
はい。例えばイタリアとかでは作るんですか？
そうですね。結構やってます。
調味料とかは手に入るんですか？
そうですね。まあスーパーで意外と売ってるんですよ。キッコーマンの醤油とか。I like it too.
もう F1 も大ファンなんで。
はい。
ありがとうございます。大体大さじ1ぐらいのバターを。そしたらここにご飯を僕が入れます。
はい、お願いします。
でご飯をでもうこうやって。
Okay. I never done that.
こうやってください。大丈夫です。
どうやってやるんですか？こうやるんですか？ あ、これか、こういう感じ。
こういう感じ。あ、そうですそうです。うまいですね。
合ってます？
どうですか？
もうしい。
大丈夫ですか？
はい。
分断
3
して
eggs。
3 eggs。はい。そしたらかき混ぜて。
合ってます？
合ってます。いい感じですね。
本当ですか？
はい。
今のところパープルいくわけですね。
もういい感じのコーナリングです。でご飯を入れて、あとはヘラで、はい、前に送っていただいて、であとは
はい。
火の上でトントン叩いて。
ビクともしてませんですけど。
動いてますよでも。
本当ですか？
はい。あ、動いてます。オーマイゴー。今みたいな感じで。
あ、いいですか？もう。
はい、もういいです。いいです。大丈夫です。
OK。
OK。Oh, good.
Thank you.
Oh, big cut.
OK。
OK。
はい、今日、オムレツ作ってくれてありがとうございます。
いやもう本当。
教えていただきありがとうございます。まあおかげさまでうまくできました。
いや本当今度作ってあげてください。
いや本当に頑張ります。
はい、頑張ってください。
ありがとうございます。今日はありがとうございました。Ladies and gentlemen.
It's just gentlemen here, but yeah.
I thought it's actually for Liam, but yeah, welcome you guys. Hope you guys like it. My beautiful omelets and the best omelet you guys gonna have.
Do you write my name?
Yeah.
You wrote my name.
Big service. And this for you.
And a heart.
Okay.
Are you confident? You're not
I'm
confident.
very confident.
You are very confident.
Very confident. Okay, well, I'll eat. Okay. You eat with egg, please.
I've got egg.
No, where?
Yeah, underneath.
No more.
You want more?
Buon appetito. Very good.
I'm not gonna lie, it's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Well done.
Not bad actually, no?
Yeah, it is actually.
味自体はそんな悪くなくない？Actually good.
I'm gonna keep eating it now.